Hi, Adam Hewson here, coming to you live from the digital studios of MarketClub, and we're on my home page. And I want to show you a couple of things about our new upcoming webinar this Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 9 p.m. GMT. So let's go to our portfolio manager because we're going to be talking about energy, how important it is and how important it's going to be in the future, and how you can take advantage of some of these markets that are out there right now in the energy field. So let's click on our portfolio manager. This is our new portfolio manager, and you're going to see our new portfolios. Very exciting. So here we are. We're at the new portfolio manager, and I'm going to just show you a couple of quick things around here. Then I'm going to talk about the energy market. So first of all, this is where we have all our portfolios right here, and we also have our energy portfolio, which is right on the top here. And drawing that over to the right, these are all our energy markets. Now we have different things. We have, obviously, these are ETFs right here, and we also have our NYMEX exchange, and then these are all NYSE, and then we have the NASDAQ as well. So it's really easy to put something in here and make it work. Let's look at a particular market, and you can see we've got crude oil here, we've got a rig, a Transocean stock, we've got BP, Peabody Energy, a coal company, Chevron oil company, Massey, Exxon, Suntech Power Holdings, which is Sun, and then we've got our global, it's an ETF, which is a Power Shares Global Wind Energy Company. So we can look at that also. Very simply, in your new portfolio manager, is you can just simply go up here and click Score, and it shows you all the top scores. So these are all very strong trends right now in these energy markets. Now if you go all the way down here, you'll see Arch Coal, which is not doing quite so well. It's a minus 70, meaning probably a sideways market for the most part. Certainly 55 for Suntech Power Holdings. That is a sideways market, so nothing to look at right there. So let's take a look at a market. Let's look at BP, because that's the one that's had all the sort of publicity and all the information. And let's just see how news is not the most important thing in the marketplace. And this is looking at a chart right now of BP. And as you can see, I've already left our trade triangles on here so you can see how the trade triangles work. And they work very, very well. And this is the option that you have by being a member, and we'll certainly discuss this in more detail at the webinar this Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But you can see that our trade triangles are basically positive, all positive. Now the daily ones aren't that important because we really like the monthly and the weekly. The monthly sets the trend, the long-term trend, and the weekly provides the timing. Now what we're looking at here is just a long-term trading. So basically this was an area to either sell or get out. The market comes down to our next trade triangle, which is right here, which is a buy signal. And as you can see, the market went up very nicely, a sell signal. The market went down, and we had a buy signal recently, and the market's heading once again back up here. So we're long from 41.59. The market's currently trading right here at 49.08. So it's a nice little profit there of around $8, and I think we are going to see more of that in the future. But you avoided, you got short. This is a really good system for trading long-term stocks. So if you're in that market, we'll be talking about crude oil futures, which is a different program. We'll be talking about that on a webinar. We'll also be talking about some ETFs and also wind power and solar power, really the whole gamut of energy and how you can take advantage of it with MarketClub and with this program. So you don't want to miss this webinar. It's really an important one. It's our first webinar of 2011, and you won't want to miss it. It starts at 4 o'clock this Thursday, and I'm going to give you the webinar address so you can register to attend. It is free of charge. There's no catch there. You can attend this webinar. It's an educational webinar on energy, and I think you're really going to enjoy this. So, hey, this is Adam Hewson for MarketClub. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you this Thursday at 4 o'clock. You can ask me questions, you can call in, you can email us, and we'll do our very best to get to your questions. So, have a great day. I'll see you Thursday.